Let's take a closer look at the Pirate Erase Treasure Hunt, which is a classroom erase treasure hunt. All right, here's an example of what your product might possibly look like when you're finished if you decide to go with red and brown like I did. Here is an example of some of the questions, the fronts and the back, and also the top of the student folder. There are 19 questions dealing with arrays. And on the front of each piece here, you have the numbers, question numbers, and a letter. As the students answer the questions, the letters match up with the numbers to decode a secret message. Inside the student folder, at the top here, you have a treasure map. And as the students answer the questions, they color in the circles. And so it can show what questions they have answered and which ones they have left to find. At the bottom here, there is a packet of answer sheets, and the students use the spaces to fill in the work. All right, so taking a little closer look at the questions here. On the front, you have the treasure chest, like I said earlier, with the numbers and the letters. On the back is a corresponding question. I would recommend laminating these so that each year it's easier to just hang them up super quick without having to cut and copy everything all over again. And on the back, you see the different kinds of questions. So the different kinds of arrays that are covered in the 19 questions here, there are some questions with splitting arrays into smaller arrays. There are questions where the students have to draw some arrays given an equation. Sometimes they are given an array and they have to write the equation to go with the array, and also there are questions where there are two different arrays and they have to match the array to an equation that is given. Here's an example of the different kinds of questions, and another example of the different kinds of questions. If you're interested in more types of activities, there's a Pirate Hallway Treasure Hunt at Morsel Tidbits as well. This is a general subject review game. It's a lot bigger. There's 42 questions. It follows the same format, and it's kind of designed to be used outside of the classroom, or you could try to do it in the classroom. It just might be a little cramped with 42 questions hanging up. If you like more pirate ideas, head on over. I have a lot of different kinds of pirate-themed activities. So come and check us out at Morsel Tidbits at teacherspayteachers.com, and I put the link in the description below. Thanks for listening.